Question number 10. The function f is defined by fx is equal to 7x cube. Okay. In the xy plane, the graph y is equal to hex is the result of shifting the graph y is equal to fx down 2 units. Which equation defines the function g? Okay. Before solving this, let's understand how transformations work. Suppose function is as it is, fx is as it is, right? We are not making any changes to it, but either we are adding some value to it or we are subtracting some value to it. So here input is as it is. What is changing? Output. And what axis is for output? Y axis, which is the vertical axis. So by changing or you can say adding or subtracting some value from the function without changing the function, the graph will move up if you add and move down if you subtract. So it will be the vertical shift. Now, if you are changing the input, right? Suppose you are adding, let's not say B, let's say A, or subtracting A from it, right? So it will give the left or right shift, the horizontal shift, because x-axis is the horizontal axis. So it will move left A points if it is plus A, and it will move right A points if it is negative A. So here this is horizontal shift, right? But third is like if you multiply it, so there is no shift. What is the change? That either the graph will vertically contract or expand. This is what happens if you multiply. So if we see the overall rule, right, like some function y is equal to a and then f of, let's say it is c because we have used it this way, x plus a plus b. So this b will be responsible for vertical shift and this a will be responsible for horizontal shift, and this multiplied constant will be responsible for stretching, vertically stretch or vertically compress situation, right? So here see what's asked, down 2 units. So when down 2 units, that means function will be as it is, but how much down it is, because it's 2 units down, function as it is and negative 2 with it. Okay, let's see the question. So function f is defined by fx is equal to 7x cube. In the xy plane, the graph y is equal to gx is the result of, okay, I'm reading the question one more time. You are already clear with the question, 7x cube minus 2. So D is the right option, right? So you have to understand, if you know these rules, very good. But if you don't know, I would just suggest you to take paper and pen and write the rules. Plus, one more thing I would love to say, that if you make a rule book for you, like whatever rules you are learning in every question, just make a separate small notebook of it, and that will be a quick handout for you during the exam times. You do not have to revise each and everything. Just see that booklet and you are good to go, right? Okay. Question number 11. Y is equal to negative 3x and 4x plus y is equal to 15. The solution to the given system of equations is xy. What is the value of x? When it is about given system of equations, that means that value of x should satisfy this and this. Okay. So for that we can use elimination method or substitution method. But here, because y is equal to negative 3x is given directly, so I can plug in the second equation as it is. So again, x is equal to 15. Just a little bit of thinking and we are good to go, right?